We are in Turkey. Now. We are going to Abu Dhabi, so stop over sa Turkey. Huh? Meron sa Turkey, guys. Kapi-kapi ta kay kape kay biyahe. Kapit ra mis Turkey kay ni hapon ba. Laos sa Abu Dhabi.
We have here and my brain is exploding. I am so tired. What did I do? I am tired. I just want to sleep at the night. I want to sleep at the morning. I want to sleep at the night, and I want to relax.
The traveler, David, and the Mamitsu traveler. We arrived here in Abu Dhabi. It's Abu Dhabi airport. David, Kuya Rem. Hello, Abu Dhabi. Ito sa Abu Dhabi, no? Maybe kainit. Ako ay diferensya sa UK o 3. Init kayo. Mami, anong bili mo? Video. Grabe, lapu-lapu. Something. Ginawan na ito ang ating king crab.
Tapos, anahan natin ng sauce ng tiger.
Ha? Kain tayo, guys, with our family, and it's a treat from our Ate Cha over there.
Grabe, may special din ang kumain mo lang. Sana nabakasyon tayo sa Pilipinas. Ito tayo sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay. Tapos
guys.
Kamuti din yung...
Na.
Pagkakasya
Hindi ako yun hindi. Aray. Pag kapit na ka nung magkaon, pero ang laruan. Unlimited ice cream. Like and share. Right and share unlimited ice cream.
Nagputong rice din. Nagpiras doon eh.
Mag-rice pa ka namin. Oh my gosh.
Hindi na mag-rice.
Sige. Sige.
One, two, three, go.
Okay.
One, two, three, go.
Ding daling daling daling. Ding daling 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 ding. Okay, wait.
Oh, you don't do like that, Lunay.
Ding daling daling daling. Ding daling daling daling. Ding daling daling.
Uy, sige.
Yay! Hey guys, what's up for the video? And today we're having a channel again for 5 years, bro. And now this is my best one. This is my little big cousin. And he has been he's actually so big for today, and we keep laughing. Oh my gosh, he's right there, bro. He's right there. Bro, this guy's right here, bro. He's so easy. Bro. Bro, today it's gonna be a great channel. Please? Good. Because it's been a long time. I don't need to poop, bro. Daddy, if you watch this, if you watch this, tell Kurayal that I am the biggest. I'm your favorite. Cause he's the laughing very much, and I can't stop laughing on him. 6, 7, 6, 7. So let's look at this. Wish me luck. Here he is. What? Bro, that's my new dog.
I know.
Bro, my dad is gonna get so. Give me that back.
Oh, ala Habibi.
Assalamualaikum.
David, relax. David.
David, relax, only holding.
Yes. David.
Luya po sa camera. Lagi na sila doon. Bukan niya kung ano.
Kuya.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim me your eyes so I can tell the truth. Oh, I got so high, oh I can't leave.
Madlock sa ating mga Pilipinos.
Go, go, go! Tom!
Eto, talent.
Picture lang. Wala tayong binaya dito.
Paingon diri ba, mahal?
Sorry.
Mahal, no?
Yung post nyo, itag lang ni...
Wait on the
Dalar kayo, madam?
Kay kami, mga
Oh, dalar.
assistant ni Madam Lisel.
Dalar pamasahe.
Madam Lisa, tsaka si Sia nang kuha sa video ko.
I don't want to actually. I don't want to.
First time din namin nakabot sa ito ba?
First time po din dito eh?
Wag mo naabot, di may kasunod eh.
Yes.
This is it.
Hi! Welcome to Dubai!
Kani nga, Mos, ito nga.
Okay, picture, right? Okay, let's get
The wheels are almost flat. This is the best. Almost.
Yeah, this is the open ablution for men. This is open ablution. This is the dyan sila maghuhugas. Maghugas natin.
Let's go.
Tapos dito sa flow na to, itong salamin na yan, ilalim yan,
Simba.
CR at saka ablution po.
Ilalo?
Wait, yeah, we went there. We went there. We were like going down.
Yeah, yes.
And there was a picture. Mommy, if you need to go to the sea, then go
This
there.
is the CR.
That's a swimming pool.
Set a swimming pool.
Lagi dual.
And why just
Dual ka pa ni
This
dual.
But it looks
beauty reflection.
no, but it looks
Look like swimming pool.
Kuya, gold yan?
Huh?
Gold yan.
Yes, above the dome, all the dome is
Gold.
real gold, 24 carats.
Pure.
Pure gold.
And why did you paint?
Tiktok kayo.
Protected siya ng protected siya ng glass para di siya matunaw.
Sipin mo, oh. 24 carats gold. Kanang naa sa ibabaw.
Why did you paint
Oh,
the tree?
24 carats gold. 24 carats gold na siya. Nasa doon tanan.
Take pictures.
Grabe, no.
Nara, dapat tayo mag-mine.
Oh, diha ko pagmain. Oh, kana, oh, oh.
And I have a picture more.
Yan, oh.
Ito,
4 carats gold daw yan.
ito yung libingan ng the first.
Good. Sunod-siralan na ito mosquito. Ano pa rin siya Pero tangan.
Driver.
Ay, hindi.
Driver.
Ano dyan mo? Oh, see? Pul.
Okay na rin.
Pul, wag itong mga nila. Asa, atang madaldalang at video. Sa may lindo ko video.
Come again, mic 2. Oh. Happened, brother? Problem?
No, actually, we're sitting behind these kids. You know, supervisor saying like that.
Okay, it's not allowed, yeah?
Right.
Sit down. Where are you going, Dad? Hindi na kuya, labas lang tayo.
The Dubai frame. Grabe kayo ang pagkabuhat sa akuan ba? Frame sa Dubai. Pero i-air ni tanan guys ha, i-air ni. Gamit rog application. Grabe ka init. 33 degrees.
Slight right onto the E11 South ramp.
33 degrees sa Dubai, pero winter season eh.
Winter pa niya.
Sama siya drive.
Parang wala mga winter dito. Ganito din sa Saudi eh.
Zayed Road, E11. Slight right onto the D78 North ramp, then slight right onto the D78 North ramp. In 500 meters, merge onto Sheikh Zayed Road, E11.
Bye-bye, Dubai frame.
Tourist attraction.
And it's so straight for the Burj Khalifa. Maybe it's the frame for the Burj Khalifa.
Merge onto Sheikh Zayed Road, E11, then take exit 54.
Like that desert.
Ay, sige na, bye.
Alayo pa mo?
24 minutes ka mo?
24?
Oo.
Layo ano nyo ay?
Bro, the candle! Yay! Happy birthday!
Nalang ko, sa wala. Hindi mo sa video ka? Asket mo? 17? Wala man ka picture ako palang ning?